What's up, guys? Shadjuice here. It's Monday night. Got 9 sales going out today. Most are video games. Definitely need to get some more stuff listed, man. My my stockpile has dwindled. I had like almost 350 at one point. I'm down to like 280, and it's just been crazy, man. I can't keep up with the listing for the buy-in, so hopefully I can get some time this week to do some listing. Let's get into what we sold here. We got Donkey Kong Jungle Beat. This came out of my, I think this came out of my collection, or I found it in the garage. That one was complete. Got $14.76, free shipping. Next up, we lighted these Tetris games up. We got what we got? Tetris, Tetris Attack, and Tetris Blast, all with cases. We got $24.95 for those 3 Tetris games. I like Tetris, but this is not something I play. Not something I'm really into playing. Darksiders, we found this in the garage. Got $14.95. Free shipping on that for the Xbox One. It looks like a role-playing game. Not my thing. I got this in that $30 lot that I got the $150 NCAA 14 in. We got $18.95 free shipping on that. This is a baseball game to look out for on the Xbox, so it's not worth much on the PS3, but it is on the Xbox, so keep an eye out for that one. MLB 2K13. Sold this Avon watch. I had it listed for like 12 bucks. Lady offered me 8, and then I went to, hold on. She offered me, I don't even remember. She offered me 8. I came back with like $9.50, and she came back with 8.25. And I forgot I originally had it at 10. I thought my last offer was 10, so I made it back up to 10. Then she messaged me asking why I raised the price. I was like, I don't know, man. Why are you trying to argue with me over $1 anyways? But anyways, got 8.25 for this. This is just an Avon watch. You'll see a better picture up here, but yeah. Just throw it in a bubble mailer and get it out of here. Make a couple bucks on it at least. Got Crash Bandicoot, Wrath of the Cortex. We got $17.95 for that. That was complete. This was another game I got in that $30 Xbox 360 lot. This is a UFC Undisputed 3. And we got $16.95 free shipping on that. So definitely a good price on that. Found another copy of Sonic Adventure laying around for the Dreamcast. It was a little scratchy, so I lowered the price a little bit. $22.95. Put it in an acceptable condition. It does work, so I'll take it. And the last sale for the night is Mark Echo's Getting Up on the PlayStation 2. This was complete. And we got $14.95 for that one. So this is going to be the start of the next video. I'll probably put like Tuesday sales, Wednesday sales, and maybe some other stuff that's going on in between. Maybe some stuff I got off of eBay. I think maybe I got a couple more things coming in. So, which this might be out before that video, but I got this box of ColecoVision stuff that's got 2 rare games in it. But this guy sent this damn thing with no packing at all. Paid $35 and no packaging whatsoever. No bubble wrap, no nothing. So, we'll be back. Alright guys, this is what I'm getting into now. If you didn't know, these are Amiibo for like Nintendo 3DS and Nintendo Switch. You can get certain things in games or use them in games. A lot of them are good for like Smash Brothers and stuff like that. Well, I've accumulated some. I bought a couple big lots of them before. And I don't use them. I use them for Breath of the Wild for a while because you could get like drops of like random things that you could use. But they've been sitting in this book bag now. Most of these for like 2 years. Yeah, it's a walk MS bag. If you didn't know, my wife has MS. So, yeah. It's a struggle, but working through it. She's a nurse and still working with it. But anyways, I'm going to sell most of these. I kept a couple I pulled out, like Mega Man and Sonic and a couple 3D, the 8-bit ones I'm keeping. But other than that, I really don't have no use for them. So I somehow got 2 Ganondorfs. He's getting sold. This Boo right here, it glows in the dark and goes for like 40 to 50 bucks loose. He does have a couple like marks on him that I can't get off for some reason. This Kirby goes for about 30 bucks. And I've sold Amiibos plenty in the past. Like I'll maybe lot up all the Pokemon ones together, like Pikachu, Mewtwo. We got a Charizard back here. Not sure if I got any other Pokemon ones at all. Oh, we got this guy back here. What's this? Lucario? He's Pokemon, right? So yeah, we got 5 Pokemon ones. I might lot that up for 45, 50 bucks. See what happens. I don't know. I was going to list them all at once, but I don't know. And this Wolf Link Amiibo, that one goes for about 30 bucks. There's just a lot you can lot together. Like, if they ain't worth too much, you can lot them together. But we did have a couple casualties in the bag. This Link one's broke. So Zero Suit the Samus one from Metroid's broke. Shovel Knight, his shovel was broke off, but I've stuck it back on there. This Princess one, I don't even know where her base is. I guess it's one of them. And I do have a dilemma. I don't know where the hell that sword come from. So I got to figure out which Amiibo that sword came from. But yeah, guys, this is what I'm working on now. I've had these crappy Donkey Kong Country boxes. I'm going to list those. They're kind of tore up. I'm going to probably make them like 20 bucks. There's all 3 of them there, but some's missing tabs. The first one's missing an end. But yeah. Gonna start working on some of these and get these listed. What's up, guys? I got some more stuff that's sold. It is Tuesday evening, about 9 o'clock. Not a whole bunch of sales today. I think we got 6. So, let's get into it. I did list a couple of them Amiibo I showed in the video. This one's Ganondorf from Zelda. Got $19.95 free shipping on him. I'm gonna put him in a little bit of bubble wrap, and I put these in like an 8x4x4 box because they're pretty brittle. Like you seen, I had a few that broke, so I always put these in little boxes. That was one I had a double of. I've only listed, I think, 4 so far. I'm not in a really rush, but alright. Got these lot of 2 PlayStation 3 games here. It's Grand Theft Auto 4 and Liberty City. They're both in there. Got $7.95 plus $2.95 shipping. So, made about, 3 or 4 bucks per game. Not too bad. These were games in that Wii U dirty bundle I got that I couldn't get to work. Some good games too. Hyrule Warriors, Splatoon, Wind Waker, and Smash Brothers. Couldn't get them to work. I listed them for $20 free shipping. Maybe somebody can work some magic on them, but I doubt it because they had like top scratches and stuff. But they were sold as for parts not working. So we got $19.95 free shipping. Got this NCAA football 2010. This is still sealed. NCAA football is selling no matter what year it seems like now. But got $19.95 free shipping on a football game that's 10 years old. I'll take it. Got this Dragon Ball Revenge of the Piccolo. This was upstairs in my collection. I don't know why I had it for, because I'm never going to play this game. But we got $22.95. It was complete in good condition. So that was a good price on that one. Got one more game here. It's pretty much all game related stuff today again. Got Inuyasha Feudal Combat on the PS2. I think I got this one and another one for like $1 at a... It was on the 127 yard sale last year. It was at like a school or something. They had like a big sale at a school outside. And I picked them both up for like $1. I think I've made like 40 off of both of them. So we got $19.95 free shipping on him. And we got one thing in the mail today. Got Zelda Link to the Past box, and it's just a box and the cartridge insert in there. No manuals or nothing, but it's pretty crispy. So I got like 2 extra ones of these right now. When I see them cheap, I have to buy them. You know what I mean? Let's see exactly what I paid for this. $14.97 free shipping I paid on that one. Not bad. Like when I see boxes, I pick them up if they're cheap. If I get this game, complete it, you know, or whatever. That's just what I do's. But that's gonna be it for the sales tonight. We'll see what else happens.